Part of the governor's plan to address that deficit could slash pay to many of the state's more than 230,000 workers.
And I want folks to know that none of us in state government will be immune from tightening our belts.
From Caltrans to the DMV and even his own pay, Governor Newsom's asking to cut state workers' salaries by 10% across the board. Though it's just one of the many proposed cuts, this could save California $2.8 billion as it works to fill a $54 billion budget hole brought on by the coronavirus pandemic.
But unfortunately, we're in a position where it's required of all of us, and by the way, including me, and including my entire staff.
Nearly 79,000 state employees work in Sacramento County, more than any other county in California. Elk Grove Assembly member Jim Cooper represents many of those workers.
And we want to make sure that people survive. I mean, like I said, these people are getting by on the bare minimum. And when you make those cuts, they have to cut somewhere too. So it really impacts everyone.
Annika Walls and her husband are both state workers, so a cut would hit them twice as hard.
We're looking at a 20% cut, right? That's difficult.
Sophia Perkins at the state's Department of Healthcare Services is nervous too.
So it's going to be a detrimental impact to my family.
It's still unclear exactly how many state workers will be impacted by this as the state negotiates with labor unions who are now working on alternatives to furloughs, which they took during the Great Recession. Still, the governor's proposal is just the beginning of the revised budget conversation, which will ultimately have to be approved by the state legislature in June.